Fire. The tools are made out of special steel that resist to the high temperature. The vase is making today is a replica of the 17th century. And now they have to turn the piece upside down in order to open the top. There we go. The first part is finished of the vase. Now has to read the glass. We need to maintain the temperature above 800 Fahrenheit. Otherwise, if you go beneath, you're going to break the glass. You're going to crack. Whatever is called technical shock. So the glass will be read every 2 minutes, 3 minutes maximum. And now, final part with the plier is going to stretch and pull, creating a beautiful handle. Che fai ieri gol in mezzo a no, merita un caso.
No, dipende come che fa solcare no? Dopo dipende l'umore, sa. Perché qua senza mi
See that? Looks so easy, eh? But it's not, I believe. Everything looks so simple, easy, but...
Più bello, non quei muri.
How do you like that? I mean, don't forget the demonstration, the powerful demonstration to understand the glass is made by hand, right? So that's why we make a demonstration. Now the master Davide shows speciality that the master mostly makes sculpture. I mean, he's able to do other stuff, like the vase he just did, but you know, we mostly make glass sculpture. And now he's making a little horse. The master, Davide, started working around when he was a little boy, and his first teacher was his father. So remember that this trade still today is handed down from father to son. And we don't have a real school where you can learn how to make glass. The family, the 6th generation glass blower, 6th generation, right?
Oh my.
The technique he uses right now is called the first try, freehand style. So practically the artist has to be able to create a little sculpture before the glass cooling down. So he has a maximum training. There we go. Do you like that? Wow. Is that beautiful? Thank you very much.